I'm ready to install the faucets back onto the countertops. So we actually purchased a Delta brand, and it is the Porter model. We also purchased the Porter version of the shower, and I'll be installing that as well. And then we also got the bath and towel kit that comes with that too. So that's what made it convenient for us, and that's one of the reasons why we chose it. So let's go ahead and get started, and we'll get this one installed. Alright, so when we open up the box, we get our instructions. We get the actual faucet fixture itself. So we can go ahead and open this up, take it out. I read the instructions and it said if it's uneven, they say to put a little bit of silicone on the base of this. It gives you your nuts for it, and then this is the drain, and it's plastic. My old one was metal, so I guess with the plastic we're going to go ahead and use the silicone on this part of the flange here. And you want to make sure this is screwed all the way down, and then put the rubber seal all the way down, and then when you push it up, you're going to screw it up into place and tighten it. Okay, turn the water back on, so we're going to go ahead and test it out. You want to take the aerator off and flush the system before putting it back on.